ulit to. Kahit na alam ko, sobra mong pinagtatawanan ako sa mga video ko. So, Renzo, I'm very sorry. As in, sobrang sorry, baby. I love you. Ayoko na mag-end to dahil lang sa time. Babawi ako, promise. Siguro yung phone ko lang talaga may problema, pero alam ko wala tayong problema doon. So, sorry talaga, baby. Mahal na mahal kita. Hindi ko kaya yun. Hindi ko kaya yung break up. Hindi ko kaya yun. Promise. So, sobrang mahal kita. I made this for you. Siguro effort ko na to. Sinasabi mo na hindi ako ma-effort na tao. Pero hindi mo pa ako kilala. Alam mo, gagawin ko lahat. Mapasaya lang talaga yung taong mahal ko. Pero not in a way na break up. No, never. So, yun. Mahal na mahal talaga kita. So, something for you. Kakanta ako. Yes, kakanta ako. Sobrang nakakatawa to. Pero, baby, please, panoorin mo siya. Sobrang hirap kumanta nang hindi ka marunong. So, sana ma-appreciate mo to. Sobrang I love you. Sobrang mahal na mahal kita. Kaya, okay lang sa akin pagtawanan mo. Kasi, alam ko talaga nakakatawa to. Kasi wala talaga akong boses ngayon. I'm so malat. And so konyo. Joke. Sige na, please, panoorin mo to, ha? I love you. Kaso ibang version nga lang to. It's a girl version. So yun. Sana ma-appreciate mo. Really can't believe that it's over. But I gotta accept the fact that it is. But before you're gone to my life forever, there's something I gotta say. Seriously. Every time that we would fight, every time you made me cry, does not compare to all the good times that we had. Thought you felt the same, but I was wrong. Leaving me here all alone. Each day I sit and wonder how things end so differently. Together we were beautiful and we were meant to be. Wake up and shake off the sweet dreams, 'cause now our stories have new endings. Every night the tears roll down my face, 'cause I should be a lady. All I want and need is your embrace. Come back to me, please. I'll be walking to a life that's missing you. And once the song has reached, just know there's nothing in the world I can do. You're not standing next to me. Our memory is still on me. Thoughts of me were around me. How can it be so easy for you to let me go? Playing all the things you said, but I have no other choice except to move on like you. Imagine spending any day without you here. You came into my life and suddenly you disappeared. Left me with nothing but a heart broken in pieces. It's really end, just hear me say. Every night the tears roll down my face, 'cause I should be all I want and need is your embrace. Look at me now. Please, I'll be walking to a life that's missing you. And once the song has reached, just let's know there's nothing in the world I can do. No ready, you're not right here, my side. Todo laugh trip ka sa akin. Sorry kung pangat talaga boses ko, kasi hindi talaga ako kumakanta. Sorry talaga, baby. Another chance, please. Please, I still love you. You know things they will change, things seem happy this way. Still I hope a part of me will always be with you. Because deep inside my heart is always a place for you. Yeah. Music and they were walking towards Garden Light. And I just made a vow to be with him for all the days of my life. And you're not here to me. Oh no. So yun. Sorry. Sorry baby. Hingi pa ako ng isang chance. Please. Please. Baby. Isa pang chance. Last chance na to. Promise you won't regret anything you do. Promise. I love you. Please. Sorry. Please. Sorry. Sorry na. Sorry na please.